Okay, we are going to start checking those signals. Number one, under frequency. UF or LF, low frequency. What is the meaning of that? When you have that code, the engine, the generator was running and stopped suddenly, and the code on the display is UF, low RPMs. The engine, for some reasons, decreased the RPMs, and immediately the computer said, oh, that's not good, low RPMs, stop, this is other kill switch, stop, and flash the code, UF. How you can solve it, that issue, low frequency? It's a problem on the engine, it's a problem on the fuel systems, or in the air filter, fuel contaminated, fuel. And of course, the engine responds with low RPMs. If the RPMs decrease, what happened? Immediately the backend, the computer, say, that's not good for me, and stop. All right? Low frequency is a problem directly related with the engine of the generator. Normally, it's not an issue. It's not an electrical issue. Later, we are going to talk about the voltage regulator, and I'm going to explain one additional thing related with low frequency. Okay. Other thing is over frequency. High frequency, over frequency. What is the meaning of that?
High RPMs.
High RPMs. The engine is running, but suddenly increase the RPMs. What happened? What do you think is the problem?
Still probably fuel and air, right?
No, it's not a problem related with fuel. It's a problem. You remember I explained quickly in a short explanation about the fuel injection pump, and I explained that the fuel injection pump have the mini engine, the replica, and the governor. You remember? This is a problem on the governor. It's a mechanical problem on the governor and accelerates suddenly. This is one possibility. It's a problem on the governor. Hey, my friend, if you have overspeed, what is the recommendation? If you are a marine technician, if you are an electrical technician, what is the recommendation?
Check.
Try to fix the governor.
Probably replace the governor, right?
You don't have tools. The governor, the fuel injection pump, is a critical, is a vital component. I recommend always remove that element and send to the machine shop. Where is the machine shop specialized in fuel injection pumps? It's a machine shop that have equipment dedicated to calibrate injectors and fuel injection pumps for diesel engines, for trucks and marine application. For example, here in Florida, you visit RPM diesel, you visit Everglades diesel, you visit Detroit diesel. They have laboratories to calibrate that fuel injection pump and calibrate the injectors. That's okay? Good?
Can you repeat?